permanently add a directory to PythonPath? Whenever I use sys.path.append, the new directory will be added. However, once I close Python, the list will revert to the previous, default values. How do I permanently add a directory to PythonPath?
You need to add your new directory to the environment variable PythonPath, separated by a colon from previous contents thereof. In any form of Unix, you can do that in a startup script appropriate to whatever shell you're using, .profile or whatever, depending on your favorite shell, with a command which, again, depends on the shell in question. In Windows, you can do it through the system GUI for the purpose. Superuser.com may be a better place to ask further, i.e. for more details if you need specifics about how to enrich an environment variable in your chosen platform and shell, since it's not really a programming question per se.
If you're using Bash on a Mac or GNU/Linux distro, add this to your .bash.
Instead of manipulating Python paths, you can also create a path configuration file. First, find out in which directory Python searches for this information. For some reason this doesn't seem to work in Python 2.7. There you can use. Then create a .pth file in that directory containing the path you want to add. Create the directory if it doesn't exist. For example,
This works on Windows. On Windows, with Python 2.7, go to the Python setup folder, open lib/site packages, add an example.pth empty file to this folder, add the required path to the file, one per each line. Then you'll be able to see all modules within those paths from your scripts.